Good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a tour of this fine 295 bunkhouse Sundance. Really well built, quality unit, great for the family. Follow me. One of the first things you'll notice is the nice long electric awning with LED lighting behind the awning. We've got marine grade outdoor speakers. It's going to come with 2 propane tanks. Nice sized compartment will hold all your stuff. These compartments on these fifth wheels are fabulous. You can put a lot of stuff in here. You've got an extra 110 power right there, aluminum step with a full large grab handle, outdoor kitchen, and an outdoor beverage refrigerator as well. Come on inside. As we enter the coach, you'll see all of your switches and controls are in one easy location. Moving to the back, you've got 2 full-size bunk beds with additional closet in the back and a drawer. You've got a nice additional closet area here. Works really nice as an extra pantry, and you'll notice how deep it is again with this cabinet. Nice and deep. You can also set this up for a television on the cabinet door here. You've got a CD, DVD player with additional cabinetry there. You've got some drawers down at the bottom, a deeper, longer drawer to hold extra pots and pans with a nice sized refrigerator. Solid surface countertop, solid surface backsplash with an oven, a 3-range burner with a glass top, gives you extra countertop if you need be, and a nice microwave oven. Behind me you're going to have a nice couch that does fold out into a bed, as well as a dinette booth that folds down into a bed. Additional storage up here for a nice shelf, all LED lighting throughout. Moving into the bathroom area, you've got a nice corner shower in that bathroom. What I really like about this unit is that you've got a lot of room here for toiletry items, towels, things of that nature. You do have a porcelain toilet. And into the bedroom area, you've got a nice queen bed. You can see you've got a lot of storage area here, as well as nice countertops on both sides of the bed, power on both sides of the bed, and look at the above cabinet area. Beautiful. As I said, you've got an outdoor kitchen area here. You've got a beverage refrigerator right in here. I always call those the beverage refrigerators. Moving around to the back, your power cord is right there. And additional storage right here in the back, which you rarely find on a fifth wheel, especially on a bunkhouse. Manual cranking stabilizing jacks. And a really nice feature on this unit is the docking station. Everything is in the compartment, tightly concealed. Your freshwater connection, your black tank flush, outdoor shower, everything's right there. And when you look at the dump valves, they're located nice and high, so you don't have any plumbing hanging down. If you want to go off maybe on some logging roads and do some dry camping, you've got the ability to do that. Nice large front compartment. You've got outside additional hookup for solar panel, for a portable solar panel, and electric front jacks. Full front cap, painted. So this is an automotive paint, and this will work well with the short bed truck. They do recommend a slider hitch, but you have to get about past 85 degrees before you worry about that, so that's a decision the customer can make. Again, a really nice lightweight unit designed for lightweight trucks. If you have any questions, please call me directly at 541-968-6010. Ron McGowan, Guarantee RV. Thank you and have a great day.